Medical physics model paper can be like this. A particle can decay to particles with greater total rest mass if the original particle has the kinetic energy. Which of the following particle is stable? B. Proton. Nuclear fission in the sun is increasing its supply of helium. Most of the energy produced by sun is due to nuclear fusion. The binding energy per nucleon is A increases for all fusion events. The binding energy per nucleon increases for all fusion events. A charged conductor has charge on its outer surface. When a hard rubber rod is given a negative charge by rubbing it with wool, the negative charges are transferred from wool to rod. The unit of electric field are joule or C.M. Two identical capacitors with each capacitance C are connected in parallel, and the combination is connected in series to the third identical capacitor. The equivalent capacitance of this arrangement is A 2C/3, क्योंकि दो आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर जो है वो कैपेसिटेंस सी के साथ जो है वो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में अटैच थे, जबकि जो तीसरा आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर था वो सीरीज़ में अटैच था. तो जो कैपेसिटी बनी, जो टोटल इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस बनी उनके अरेंजमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग, वो बनी आपकी 2C. 2C दो C हैं, यानी दो आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटेंस जो है वो पैरेलल में अटैच है, और तीसरा वाला क्योंकि जो है वो हमारे पास इसके अरेंजमेंट चेंज है तो उसको हम बाय 3 कर देंगे. टू आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज एंड टू ईच आइडेंटिकल टू द फर्स्ट आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. द इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ सीरीज कनेक्शन इज द इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल कनेक्शन. D 1/4. Let Q denote charge, V denote potential differences, and U denote stored energy of those quantities. Capacitors in parallel must have the same V only. If the plate area of isolated charge parallel plate capacitor is doubled, B, the potential difference is halved. The capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel. The equivalent capacitance is given by D C1 plus C2. Capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in series. The equivalent capacitance is given is A. जब पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड होगा तो C1 प्लस C2 होगा, और जब सीरीज़ में कनेक्टेड होगा तो C1 C2 डिवाइडेड बाय इन द ब्रैकेट C1 प्लस C2. Of the following, the copper conductor that has the least resistance is B, thick, short and cool. The EMF of a battery is equal to its terminal potential differences only when there is no current in the battery. The terminal potential difference of a battery is less than its EMF, C, only when the battery is being discharged. A magnetic field cannot change the kinetic energy of a charged particle. Suitable unit for option D, Tesla meter ampere. The ratio between the terms of primary and secondary coil of transformer is 1/3. If primary winding has an EMF of 600 volt, the EMF is in secondary winding is C 1800. The ratio between the EMF of secondary to primary coil is 1/2. The ratio between the current of secondary to primary coil is B 2/1. From a center tape transformer we can obtain two output. The auto transformer has one winding. The physical phenomenon by which interferential current produces is known as beats. In an electromagnetic wave, which are the following mutually perpendicular? D BeV. The frequency range of radio wave is C 10 to 10 Hz. 10/8 to 10/12 Hz. Convex lens act like the concave lens if the object is placed within the focal length. The electrical resistance of human body is approximately 1500 pi. The fatal voltage of human body is B 19 volt. The radiation dose is the product of time and C radiation intensity.